Horses out, you have no guts, no glory. Past the begin, moving a party outside Punchline. Sale Street joining them, then followed by Towanitsa. And Walk the Talk is the early trailer. No guts, no glory by about 2 lengths. Punchline in second, a length and a half back in third is Sale Street. 5 lengths for the back in fourth now is Walk the Talk, and Towanitsa now trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. No guts, no glory by about 2 lengths. Punchline in second, Sale Street is racing in third. Walk the Talk now coming closer in fourth, and Towanitsa. And that's still no guts, no glory by about 2.5 lengths. Punchline remains in second, Walk the Talk in third, Sale Street and Towanitsa. And that's still no guts, no glory by 1 length and a half. Punchline, Walk the Talk now trying to get closer in third, Sale Street and Towanitsa. No guts, no glory, moving up. Punchline to take the lead. Punchline this time by 1 length. Walk the Talk now moving up to take second. No guts, no glory, draws back into the last. They come down at the last 150. Punchline, and on the outside is Walk the Talk. These two now has collided in front. Punchline by about 2 lengths over Walk the Talk. Last 75 meters, we have Punchline by about 3 lengths over Walk the Talk. And finally, Punchline, Walk the Talk, Sale Street, Towanitsa, and No Guts, No Glory.
Ganda ng tinakbo nitong si Punchline.